Hi guys, welcome back. This is Market 360 Degree and I am Rajesh Bothra. I welcome you all and आज हम बात करेंगे अभी के जो करंट 3 IPO के बारे में UTI म्यूचुअल फंड, मझगांव शिपयार्ड एंड लिखिता इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के बारे में और किस IPO में पैसा लगाना है, किस IPO में पैसा नहीं लगाना है, वीडियो में बात करेंगे। ये बहुत क्विक वीडियो है तो वीडियो चालू करने से पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल पे जाइए और पुरानी जितने भी IPOs के एनालिसिस है उसको डिटेल में आप देख सकते हैं। Disclaimer about ourselves. We are not SEBI registered. All information in this video are educational purpose. All the recommendation in this video are from our own personal investment. We are not recommending anybody. This is what we are going to do, and we are not accountable for any profit and loss. And we request you to please consult your financial advisor before you investing. So before we start talk about the current IPO, let's talk about the listing. What we gonna do for tomorrow? It's 1st October on listing. So first games, first of all the allottee. Congratulations for the games and Camcon allottees. I request that games we discussed this sheet in our previous presentation, and I'm just keeping it in a very simple way. Games you can sell 15%, 50% and keep 50% on the long term. It's a very good, very fundamental, strong company. GameCon again you can sell 100%, but let's wait for some time, at least for 1 week, because stock is very hot. A very strong buying is there, but always keep a very strong stop loss. Stop loss will be depend on the listing but tomorrow. Angel broking we already avoided, but however if you want to, if you already allotted, so sell it on opening and don't buy for right now. Now let's talk about the current IPO in a nutshell. IPO dates are opening between 29 to 1st of October. Price band are given there, and most of the prices are decent, attractive value, except UTI, which is that a little bit is on a higher side valuation. What product and services? Mazgaon Shipyard into a shipbuilding services, and it's a public sector company, and it is doing all the work for the government of India in defense, like they are making all warship and repairing the warship submarines, and so it is a kind of a unique business. Lithika, they are into a services in oil and gas, mainly for piping services for the oil and gas industry. Their services are pretty much standard. UTI mutual fund, it's again into the mutual fund industry, so their services are standard, but said that UTI says to be one of the biggest AMC in India, and this particular company IPO is the most awaited, but however due to a lot of weakness in past few days, this IPO is not performing very well. We will talk about this in coming slide. Let's talk about the financial. Mazgaon financial are pretty decent. They don't have any big problem. Lithika is very strong financials, and UTI financial are not very good. Now talk about the second day subscription. Overall subscription, very good response on Mazgaon's 7.5 over time oversubscribed. Lithika is also doing good, 3.11, and UTI mutual fund is not doing very well. And retail subscription, Mazgaon is doing very fantastic. Surprising, Likhita is also doing good. UTI is not doing very well. Allotment date between approximately 8 to 9 October for all IPO, and listing would be around 12th of October. Now let's talk about the comparison of grey market premium. So let's talk about the grey market premium of Mazgaon around 120 rupees, and their offer price, cutoff price is 145 rupees. So overall it's 86% premium from the investment. Same with Lithika, it's a very small IPO, only 60 crore IPO, but the prices are the grey market premium show is around 10, and overall price is 120, so it's not a big profit, only 8% profit. So overall 1250 rupees from per application. And UTI, surprisingly everything has gone down from a big IPO, grey market premium approximately, you can say initially started with somewhere around 120 range, now it's only 22. and their offer price is 555, so it's merely 4%, and on application wise is merely 6%. So you can overall judge which IPO to apply or not. So let's talk about the final conclusion. This is our own conclusion, this is our own recommendation, what we are going to do with this IPO. So first, we are giving rating, good rating, first rating to Mazgaon shipyard. So we are going to apply Mazgaon shipyard with full force. Then we apply with we give rating to Likitha, the second rank. So we are apply if tomorrow's last day's data is good with QIB participant. And last but not least, UTI. Right now we are not applying, but if something changes tomorrow's data, if HNI and NNI are participating very forcefully, then yes, we are going to participate in this IPO. So overall, go, if you have only money for one IPO, then go apply for Mazgaon. If you have two, then Likitha is also there. If you want to apply, right now I suggest avoid UTI. Still, you have any question, please connect with us on Telegram, email, and our LinkedIn page. And hope you are getting a good return from this IPO, and good luck for tomorrow listing of ChemCon and Chems. Have a great profitable day tomorrow. Bye bye and have a nice day.